Jenny. Today is on your birthday. I love you. Love. So today I made video for you. Mama, mama, mama. I love you, my Jenny. I'm gonna say bye.
Ikaw tapos na ang birthday, di birthday ka pa eh. Ikaw na. Magbait ka lagi ha. At magbaitan kayo mag-asawa. Kayo kaunting bagay ay pinag-uusapan ha. At ikaw ay 32, ilan na nga ba si ate? 32. Oh, mas mamamatured pa ikaw. Kaya ikaw ay maging mapagmahal na asawa. Wala ka namang inaalaga ang anak. At si lola mama naman nag-aalaga. Basta lagi ka mag-ingat. At magmahalang kayong mag-asawa. Love you, te. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Kumanda na ako. Happy birthday, ate. Love you. Mag-ingat ka lagi dyan. At mahalin din lagi ang trabaho.
Hello, Auntie Mommy Jenny. This is Baby C. I'm on my 16th week now, and I am so excited to meet all of you when I come out. I want to see Mommy Daddy, Lolo Paps, Lula Mama, Kuya Pabo, 8 Via, Uncle Daddy, and of course you and everyone. Happy birthday, Auntie Mommy Jenny. Every night, I am hearing Mommy and Daddy praying and they are making me part of it, and I am hearing your name there. You're in our prayer. I also heard from Mom and Dad that you are sad because most of our life events, you're not in the Philippines for us to share those moments with you. But please know that you are important to us. Mom and Dad always make sure that you are the first person to know their secret plans because they said you are their best friend. 8. Love you, Auntie Mommy Jenny. When you go home on December, touch Mommy's tummy and I'll surely answer with big kicks. Ha ha ha. Happy birthday and see you soon. Lots of hugs and kisses.
Say hi, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy. Say. Happy birthday, Mommy. Say hi, Mommy. Oh, blow the cake muna kay Mommy. Blow the cake. Blow cake kay Mommy. Say hi, Mommy. Say hi, Mommy.
Oh, very good. Very good.
Nahingi ka ng cake kay Mommy.